Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video.
This tip is for hard-to-settle preschoolers and what you can do to help build better self-regulation. There are some kids who are more calmed by running around outside, having a tricycle ride, or going on a swing. And then there are some kids that stay revved up, that almost seem more revved up after a gross motor or a big sensory activity. So those are the kids that we're talking about. So you'll want to be trying this technique and reviewing the other videos that you will see in this series to see which technique works best for your child. This tip we'll talk about now focuses on the mouth and how to teach deep breathing to a young child. What you'll need is a cotton ball, a feather, maybe a tiny piece of paper that's folded up, something that can be easily moved by blowing. That's motivating to your child. So you can be as creative as you want in this category. What you'll want to do is have a long table surface, so you can either sit across from your child or you can sit beside your child. But the idea is that you want them to take a big inhalation and then exhale for as long as they can in order to move the object across the table. And you'll want to do this for 20 repetitions. So the key is the repetitions and the key is pacing. So they might do their cotton ball across the table, and then you, if you're seated across from them, might blow it back, or if you're seated beside them, you might do yours and take slow and well-paced turns. So use the repetition, use the routine, and give this a try when your child needs to settle down. You can lower lighting to make the environment more calm. You can shut the TV, shut off any other electronic, so that way you just build a more calm environment to prep for your breathing game. If this works well for you, you can make breathing portable and add it to your portable sensory toolkit by getting a little pinwheel, maybe a mouth toy like a harmonica where the child is trying to get as much sound as they can by holding a note. So you certainly can use portable methods, but to start, make the breathing game part of your calm down routine and try adding it in to see how this works. Thank you.